Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at Boeing. So, Boeing stock has been pretty stable recently. Hovering around the 210 mark or so. We're in a range between 200 and 220. Now, we're getting towards the top of the range right now. You can see it dipped. We're pretty much recovered from the big dip it had, but we're pretty much in this range. It could bust above 220, but I don't think so. I don't think so. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to sell a covered call. I'm going to do it in stages. I'm going to do one at a time. I'm not going to sell them all at once. I'm going to say trade. You can know I'm long 600 shares of Boeing. We'll go take a look at that position in a minute. So I'm going to try to get maximum cash. So $824.50. Break even, you can see, is 228.25. All right, let's look at the order. Filled at 825. So let's look at the position. All right, guys, here's my position in Boeing. I think long term it's going to be really good, but short term there is some turmoil in the industry. Okay, you can see they think my average total cost is $230.53. Not quite correct, because as you guys know, if you subscribe to my channel, if you're joined to my private stock group, that I've been selling options on this, covered calls mostly, some cash covered puts when I think the stock is near the bottom, and covered calls when I think it's near the top, which is right now it's near the top, right near 220. So I think we're good. So if you guys want to learn how to do this, how to generate a lot of premium and cash flow on your stocks with options, be sure to subscribe to my channel, join, like this video, and we'll get rich together. All right, guys. You also get my real-time stock trades if you join the channel. All right. Good luck out there in the markets. Thanks for watching.